Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful braid spring twist for your crochet and your ponytails. And for you all that don't know, my name is Ophel Nasaab. If you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button to be a part of the family. A new subscriber, thank you for dropping by, and to you my old subscribers, thank you so much for the love you've been showing me. I really appreciate that. So without much ado, let's get into the video.
And I run, and I run, and I run, and I run to get food. Away from the truth that you're gone, I know better, I'm lost without. I'm driving alone and into the dark, caught in a fantasy right where you are. The screams that I shouted out you wouldn't hear. Whoa. The pictures that I see, they're in my heart. The sunset to water, barely comes the stars. So show me a destiny, show me a path. Will there be a marvel, will we meet again? Whoa. Don't let it burn out, 'cause I still care. And I run, and I run, and I run, and I run to get food. Away from the truth that you're gone, I know better, I'm lost without you. Water and it comes at dawn. Why did you care for me? Why did you run? And when they asked about me, said I was so good. But when it crashes down, tears are full too. And I run, and I run, and I run, and I run to get food. Away from the truth that you're gone, I know better, I'm lost without